Welcome to day 26 of my 0 to 10K challenge with Amazon ads for my Amazon KDP books. I'm Dean the Wealth Coach and welcome. So let's begin to see if we got any sales. I uploaded a new book, I put my ads up, and no sales. So we got 4 days left and we gotta hit a jackpot. Alright, so nothing sold. Let's see if I spent money on ads. Probably I did. My credit card didn't take, or Amazon was unable to process my credit card payment for the UK. I spent 50 cents and they started trying to charge me $1 something. So the Canadian dollar versus the British pound is ridiculous. Oh, now it went up. It wasn't at 150 before. Payment failure. Okay, so I gotta fix that. Yeah, I'll figure that out. But even still, no sales. Okay, let's see what the thing was here. Spent 50. Holy, so 50 pence or squints and 2 quints here. Let's see here. So 210 impressions. So 2 people must have clicked it. Oh, but it's not showing anything. Let's see if we go here. Oh, there we go. Click, but no supply. Okay, spending too much here. Drop this down to like. I change this to 25. UK market is harsh, man. 25. We'll save that. We'll leave this for later. Let's go to the American side. Or Canadian. Let's see what Canada's saying. Same thing. Nothing special. Let's go to US now. So spending money, just not many clicks. Oops. Gonna do that. For that. Still no sales. $24.49. These two are costing the most right here. So I might have to shut these ads off. Figure them out again. See what we can do. Yeah, I'm getting 111 clicks, but nothing. See if the other book got anything yet. No. So back to the drawing board. Okay, so I have some stuff to figure out. That I don't know. But if you guys have anything that could help boost your sales, please leave it in the comments below. Got 4 days left. 4 days. What's in store for the next 4 days? Yeah, I gotta continue figuring out these ads or how to get these ads to convert. Might have to take a course or something, but it's okay. It's a part of the learning process. So there's not really much left to do in this video. So I will see you guys tomorrow for day 27. And make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you're finding value in these videos. See ya.